In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DaVinci Resolve, lagging, and slow playback. So all we're going to do here is create some proxy media. So if you go to the bottom right of the screen, you'll see the settings cog. And all you're going to do is scroll down until you get optimized media and render cache. So now what we want to do here is we want to choose the media format, and we don't want to use any of these heavy encoded formats. We want to use the digital nonlinear formats. What I would recommend is from HQX and down to standard quality. So for this, we'll use HQ, but I should probably go down to SQ as my computer is not at all meant for heavy video editing projects. Okay, so once you've set your proxy media format, what you want to do is scroll down, and here you'll see your proxy generation location. This is where all your proxy media is going to be saved to. So make sure this isn't going to a drive that doesn't have much space, as you are going to notice it later on. And when you're done there, you can just hit save. Okay, so now we're going to jump to the media tab and right click on any media we want to generate proxies for. If you've got a lot of files, you can just highlight and then right click. And depending on your PC specs and the amount of projects, this could take some time. Alright, so now you'll see our media file has the proxy little icon there, and I can slide on this and it'll actually just play immediately, which is not the usual case for any unoptimized media. Okay, so another thing that can help is in the playback section, you can go to your timeline playback resolution and set that to half or quarter, depending on how drastic your situation is. And then you want to go playback again and just make sure that your proxy handling is set on prefer proxies. And that's it, guys. That's how you can get way better playback on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.